everybody, it's me, Chorkie! Well, look at me. This is where I sit when I'm in my mum's car, right in the middle of the two front seats, on mine cushion, with mine seatbelt on and being able to look out of the window. I love it. And every time I see a dog, I bark and I bark and I tell that little dog, say, don't you come to mine mum's car and try and get in with me and mine mum. They run a mile. Anyway, I hope you've had a lovely day today because it's been lovely and sunny again and I'm tired. And I've been playing with mine toys. I had a lovely tea. Mum gave me my own tea with a little bit of chicken breast cut into it. And then my mum made some homemade schnitzels. And she gave me some, took all the schnitzel coating on and gave me some beautiful chicken. It was gorgeous. Well, anyway, I'm going now because I'm going to play with my little squeaky duck. So, have a lovely night, everybody. And remember, I, Chorkie the Chorkie, love you.